Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by using the hot roasting pan or skillet with 1 to 2 cups of beef drippings or 2 tablespoons rendered fat plus stock. Scrape and dissolve the brown bits. Fond, because that's where concentrated flavor lives. Use a wooden spoon and 30 to 60 seconds of gentle heat to deglaze. Once done, pour off excess fat if it's overwhelming. Make sure to keep those solids in the pan. You're creating the flavor base, and controlling fat now so later thickening is balanced and rich. You add equal parts flour and fat, typically 2 tablespoons each to the hot pan to make a medium roux. This thickener both binds and flavors the gravy. Stir constantly and toast the roux for 2 to 3 minutes so it loses raw flour taste and gains a nutty aroma. Once the color and smell are right, gradually whisk in 1 to 2 cups warm beef stock in slow streams. This prevents lumps and builds a smooth texture. Make sure to scrape the pan so fond reincorporates into the gravy. You simmer the gravy gently for 3 to 5 minutes so it thickens and flavors meld. Skim foam and taste as it reduces. Then season gradually with salt, pepper, and a splash of Worcestershire or soy for umami. Add acid like a teaspoon of vinegar if it tastes flat. Once done, strain for a glossy finish. If it's too thin, whisk a 1 teaspoon cornstarch slurry into a small amount of cold water, add slowly, and simmer. If too salty, dilute with more stock or a peeled potato briefly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.